In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to run a Google Cloud function. Whether you're a developer looking to streamline your workflow or just curious about cloud computing, this guide will walk you through each step to get your function up and running smoothly. To begin, you'll need to open the Google Cloud Console. This is your main dashboard for interacting with Google Cloud services. Simply navigate to your preferred web browser and type in the URL for Google Cloud Console or use a bookmark if you have one saved. Once you're there, you may need to log in with your Google account if you haven't already. It's important to ensure that the account you're using has the necessary permissions to create and manage cloud functions, so double check that if needed. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the Google Cloud Console interface. From here, you'll want to locate and click on the Cloud Functions section. This can usually be found in the left-hand menu under the Compute category. If you don't see it right away, you can use the search bar at the top of the console to quickly find Cloud Functions. This area is where you'll manage all your serverless functions, so it's a good idea to familiarize yourself with its layout. Next, you'll click on Create Function. This button is typically located near the top of the Cloud Functions page. Clicking it will initiate the process of setting up a new cloud function. Here, you'll be prompted to configure various settings for your function. This step is crucial as the settings you choose will determine how your function behaves and is accessed. During the configuration process, you'll need to give your function a name. Choose something descriptive that will help you identify its purpose later on. You'll also select a region for your function, which is important for latency and compliance reasons. Another key setting is the trigger, which defines how your function will be invoked. This could be an HRT trigger, a cloud pub/sub trigger, or another event source depending on what you need. After configuring the settings, you'll be ready to deploy your function. To do this, simply click the Deploy button. Deployment might take a few minutes as Google Cloud prepares your function and allocates the necessary resources. During this time, you can watch the progress bar or take a moment to review your settings to ensure everything is correct. Once your function is deployed, it's time to test it. Head over to the Test tab within the Cloud Functions interface. Here, you can simulate the events or inputs that your function is designed to handle. Simply input the data you want to test with and click Test. This will execute your function and show you the results. If everything is configured correctly, you should see the expected output. And that's it. You've successfully run a Google Cloud function. By following these steps, you now have a basic understanding of how to create, configure, and test cloud functions using Google Cloud. This powerful tool can help you build scalable applications without the overhead of managing servers. As you continue to work with Google Cloud Functions, you'll discover even more possibilities for automating processes and expanding your projects. Happy coding!